Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the Panda Spin Dryer now. Unplugging is optional but recommended for safety. Make sure the machine sits level to avoid wobble. Once done, sort garments into similar weight groups and avoid overfilling. Spin dryers work best at 1/2 to 3/4 capacity. Load items evenly around the drum to balance the spin. This reduces vibration and speeds drying. Make sure zippers and buttons are closed to prevent snagging, and place heavier items opposite. You now set the controls. Choose a short cycle for light dampness or up to 5 minutes for soaked items. This saves energy and prevents overdrying. Press the lid down until the lock engages. If the lock won't catch, reseat the load and try again. Start the cycle and watch the first 30 seconds closely. If you see strong vibration or humming, stop immediately, redistribute the load, then restart. Once the spin stabilizes, you can step away while it completes. You finish by powering the unit off and waiting for the rotor to fully stop before opening the lid, because opening under motion risks damage. Remove garments and give each a quick shake to reduce creases. Hang items that need air drying or transfer to a dryer for finish. If you hear banging or the machine stalls, make sure to rebalance the load first and inspect the drain hose for kinks. Rebalancing usually solves most issues and prevents motor strain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.